Artist 507. Panama.
Wooden door, auto production line. Automatically loading and scanning the QR code of each workpiece. Workpiece automatically centered and pressed before trimming the side. All four sides are trimming simultaneously. Crushing cutters are used in both long edges trimming. Normal saw blades are used in both short edges trimming. The four sides trimming processing time can be reduced to less than 60 seconds. The allowance for long edge trimming is less than 10 mm for each side. The oddments of short edges trimming follows the conveyor belt to the front scrap box. Slotting the L shape of short and long edges is optional function. The edge bonding process is fully automatic rotary mode. Cylinder clamping device helps the short edge bonding processing. Two servo driving rotary gantry cranes rotates the workpieces. And feeding devices are included in the whole automatic edge bonding rotation machine. Working efficiency is no more than 65 seconds for 8 workpieces in each cycle. There is an abnormal discharging translation conveyor before the next working procedure. Normal processed workpieces goes into the temporary storage rack. Workpieces automatically conveys into the QR code scanning workstation waiting for the processing instruction from the automatic system. The QR code on each workpiece stands for different processing requirements. The two workstations provide higher lock hole and hinges processing efficiency. The first workstation processes the keyhole only. The second workstation processes the lock hole and hinges in the same time. The workpieces will orderly stacking after the whole processing. Each workpiece goes offline at an interval of no more than 65 seconds.